Yo honey here, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review on a product that is a solution and a lifesaver, especially for those who have some battery issues when it comes to their DSLR cameras. My issue with my battery is that I only have one pack of battery for my DSLR camera because, let's admit it, batteries for DSLR cameras, they are quite expensive and I don't have the budget for that, at least not yet. That is one. The second issue is that I have to stop midway of what I'm doing with my camera just so I can recharge my battery, wait for it to fully recharge, and then I can continue what I'm doing, which is a hassle, sweetheart. It is time consuming and it makes me more prone to procrastination and it's annoying. So I bought this package we have here, which is a great solution, as I said, and lifesaver, because with this package you can just plug your camera straight to the outlet and have unlimited power supply. Like, let's just get right to it, let's just get straight to it and review this product. Okay, I'm excited. So as you can see, it is already open, so I cut it out so we can just easily slide it out. So it came with this plastic and it is bubble wrapped and everything, and inside we get a box, and this box doesn't have much label other than the model unit, which is, as written here, it is E18. So because it is actually ACK-E18, which is compatible with my Canon 750D. So yes, fair warning, you have to make sure that if you're gonna buy a battery supply like this one, you got to make sure that it is compatible with your camera, because you don't want to have the trouble of returning stuff or damaging your DSLR cameras or have a short circuit or something. So I don't know the after effect of having like different model of this, like what's gonna happen, but just to be safe, make sure it is compatible. Like, talk with the seller. Let's just open it. I'm so excited. Okay, inside you have here a wire for the AC adapter, then the actual AC adapter where you connect this, and I believe it is called DC coupler or coupler. It looks exactly like the end of it looks exactly like the battery, even has those gold thingy. This is the thing you put in your camera, and on the other end you have this female hole and this is the AC adapter. So there it is. Oh, it's upside down. There, ACK-E18. It's the model unit. So I gotta admit, it is not heavy. It is light, as well as the coupler. It is very light. Like, I am already doubting if it's gonna work, but yeah, let's not judge it yet. But I don't know, I am new to these types of things, but it is very light. As you can hear, it sounds hollow, like doesn't have much in it. Like, it's so lightweight, especially this one, the coupler. Oh my god, it's so light. Like, it doesn't weigh anything. The wire is much heavier than this thing right here. Oh, and that makes me scared. So what you do, you just plug it in. So this is a male input thing, and you put it in, and so this one, you gotta make sure you got it in tightly and not wobbly. I guess all you have to do is just plug it straight to your outlet, put this in your DSLR, and I guess that's all. That's it. I'm gonna remove the battery from this DSLR camera and I'll try this on now. Here is the DC coupler. It has a wire. Some of y'all must be wondering, how am I gonna put the battery inside and not let the wire get caught or anything? There's a gap here. As you can see, you can lift this latch open. I'm gonna plug it in, and then the direction of the wire should go over here. And I'm gonna pull the wire out here in this direction and close it, so might need a little bit more force, but voila, here it is. Let's try it and let's turn it on. Okay, boom. So the battery is right here, there, so it's on full. So it's full because it is unlimited supply battery, baby. See, it works like magic. So you can use it for live stream now. You can even use it for like your online classes. Yes, you can use DSLR cameras as your webcam for your online class. So just to let some of you know, you have unlimited power now. You can do whatever you want, anything you need. So material quality aside, it works. It does its job. It doesn't look like it's defective, doesn't have any damage of some sort. It works smoothly. It's like easy. And just one snap, all is good, all is well. And now I don't have to worry of the battery, and also I don't have to turn off my camera every time I'm not recording or filming or using it, and I can just chill. By the way, this battery supply costs 629 pesos, so I bought it from Shopee. 65 pesos for the shipping fee, and since I have a voucher, I only have to pay 5 pesos for the shipping fee, so 634 pesos. So lucky for you if you still get the voucher the same as I did, or you have a free shipping. But yeah, I think it's a good buy for me. It's 5 stars. That's it. Hope you guys like it, and see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Yo honey, out.